How to develop a habit. Many of us are tired of setting goals and not achieving them. Are there any way to develop a habit effectively? Over the years, a simple, powerful, proven methodology has been determined for new habit development. It is very much like a recipe for preparing a dish in the kitchen. When you know how to form a new habit, then you can turn success into a series of daily actions. Today's video can help you get there. We've taken the process of building habits and turned it into a simple 7-step process. You can implement them immediately. Over time, you will find it easier and easier to develop the habits. Step 1. Focus on one new habit. Our supply of willpower is spread out among all the areas of our lives. That's why we should work on only one habit at a time. Your store of willpower can be channeled into completing that one habit, increasing the odds of success. So the question is, what one new habit do you want to form? It totally depends on you. The important point is to identify a habit you can do all the time. Something you can do every day, even when you don't feel like it. For instance, one of my main habits is making videos. This is something that I do every day. I'm always working hard to get better at it each day. Step 2. Commit to your habit for at least 30 days. Some people say that it takes 21 days to form a new habit, and others claim that it takes up to 66 days. In reality, the length of days differs from habit to habit and from person to person. Some habits are easy to form, and others require some effort. We recommend to pick one habit and commit to it for at least 1 month. During this time, you should leave enough time every day to consistently do it. Step 3. Anchor your new habit to an established one. Another great trick to build easily a habit is to link it to an existing one. Don't rely on motivation to start doing the habit. A great example of this comes from B.J. Fogg's Tiny Habits concept. An important aspect is to anchor the new habit to something you already do daily. Like, after I get to my car from work, I will change into my workout clothes and walk for 10 minutes. After I drop off the kids at the babysitter, I will stop by the gym for my yoga class. I bet you must have got the idea. Simply find a habit you already consistently do. Then anchor it with a new behavior. Step 4. Take baby steps. It is easy to start a new habit by taking baby steps. Make the habit ridiculously small that you cannot say no. The trick here is you do not use any motivation. The danger of relying on motivation alone is you don't have a backup plan for when you're not in the mood. Really, the only way to make a habit stick is to turn it into automatic behavior. You can do this by taking baby steps and creating a low level of commitment. Examples of zeroing in on a micro commitment include walking for just 5 minutes a day, writing 1 paragraph of your book, eating 1 serving of vegetables each day, making 1 sales call to a prospective customer, waking up each morning 10 minutes earlier. Step 5. Make a plan for obstacles. Every new habit will have obstacles. When you know in advance what your obstacles are, you can take action to overcome them. You can use intention, implementation strategy to handle this. Here are some powerful examples. Example 1. Walking for 5 minutes in the morning. If it's raining, then I will walk in the treadmill in the gym instead. Example 2. Jogging after coming out from work. If I feel tired, then I will jog for 2 minutes. Step 6. Create accountability for your habit. Making public declaration about your goals. Post updates on social media accounts, use apps like Chains and Coach.me to track your progress. Work with an accountability partner. Post regular updates to an online community related to the habit. Do whatever it takes to get reinforcement from others in support of your new routine. Step 7. Reward important milestones. A new habit doesn't have to be boring. It's important to celebrate those big moments along the way. Keep in mind, a reward doesn't have to break the bank. You could check out a new movie, or simply do something you love. By rewarding yourself, you'll activate some brain patterns. These patterns are responsible for a feeling of pride and accomplishment. That will help to stick to your habit in the long run even if things go tough. As you can see, it's not that hard to form a new habit. The secret is to relate to an important goal. Make a commitment to work at it daily. And use a series of micro-commitments to increase the likelihood of success. Now it's your turn. What has been your experience with building habits in the past? Did you encounter any specific challenges or obstacles? Comment in the below box and let me know what you think.